Most important topic as in a dentistry is the anesthetic. This anesthetic broadly categorized into two groups is the general anesthetics and the local anesthetics. General anesthetics means the drugs which produces the reversible loss of sensation, especially for the pain and consequence, which produces the analgesia, amnesia, immobility, and muscle relaxations, and loss of reflexes. One more important terminology related to anesthesia is the balance anesthesia. It is the combination of the drug used to produce as the amnesia, muscle relaxations, or the sleep analgesic effect and loss of reflex type of the effect. Whereas the local anesthetic is the drug cause the reversible loss of sensory perceptions, especially for the pain in restricted area of a body. It blocks the generation and conduction of nerve impulses and produces the effect. Let's compare the general anesthetic and local anesthetics. The general anesthetic main site of the general anesthetic is the CNS, and local anesthetics act on the peripheral nerve. Whole body involved in a general anesthetic, whereas the restricted area or the site of administration involved in a local anesthetic. If it is given to the patient, general anesthetic if it given to the patients, then vital organ monitoring is the play an important role, but it is not that much important with a local anesthetic. General anesthetic mostly preferred for the major surgical cases. For the minor surgical cases, mostly the local anesthetic can be used. General anesthetic on the basis of route of administration broadly classified into two groups, inhalational and parenteral general anesthetic. This inhalational we have volatile drugs and gases like ether, isoflurane, desflurane, halothane, infurane, and gases nitrous oxide and cyclopropane. We have inducing agents like a thiopentane sodium, propofol, and etomidate. Slower acting agent like a benzodiazepine means midazolam, diazepam, lorazepam. Dissociative anesthetic agents like the ketamine and opioid analgesic or neuroleptic agents. One more important concept related to anesthesia is the pre-anesthetic medications. Prior to the anesthesia, certain drugs are administered in order to make the anesthesia safe and pleasant. It is called as a pre-anesthetic medications. To produce the sedation, mostly sedative hypnotic drugs like a diazepam, lorazepam, and midazolam can be preferred as a pre-anesthetic medications to relieve the post and pre-operative pain. In this case, opioid analgesics like a morphine and pethidine can be used as a pre-anesthetic medication. Some anticholinergic drugs like atropine or glycopyrrolate, this is used to reduce the salivary or the bronchial secretions, and some antiemetic drugs like a metoclopramide, domperidone, or ondansetron can be used to control the vomiting. And some H2 blockers like the ranitidine or antihistaminic also used as a pre-anesthetic medication to reduce the gastric acid secretion. And as such, antihistaminic drugs has a property of the sedations and anticholinergic and antiemetic property. Local anesthetic agent classified into four main categories. Injectable local anesthetic agent. We have low potency, short duration of drugs. Intermediate potency, long, intermediate duration of a drugs like a lidocaine. High potency and longer duration of a drug, tetracaine, buprenorphine type of the agents. We have surface anesthesia like a soluble as well as the insoluble, cocaine, lidocaine, tetracaine, and insoluble benzocaine, butyl aminobenzocaine. Synthetic non-nitrogenous compound also used as a local anesthetic agent like the benzyl alcohol, and miscellaneous drugs with a local anesthetic which is commonly used in household cases like a clove oil. Then some physical method also consider or produces the local anesthetic type of the effect like the refrigeration, application of eye, and ethyl alcohol spray. This diagrammatic representation show the how this local anesthetic drugs produces the effect. Site of local anesthetic is the cell membrane cell. In this case, local anesthetic produces the effect by acting or blocking of the sodium voltage gated sodium channel, thereby thereby reduce or inhibit the entry of the sodium ion, and also reduces the generation of action potential and result in formation of a membrane stabilizing type of the effect. By this mechanism, local anesthetic drugs produces the effect, means normally it inhibit the generation and conduction of nerve impulses. There are various techniques and uses of the local anesthetic. We have surface anesthesia, in this case only local anesthetic agent applied on the mucous membrane. Infiltration anesthetics, which in this case local anesthetic directly injected into the tissue, it blocks the sensory nerve ending. We have conduction block. There are two type of the conduction blocks: field block anesthesia and nerve block anesthesia. In dental practice, mostly use the field block anesthetic techniques. Field block anesthesia, in this case, local anesthetic directly injected near the apex of the tooth, and nerve block anesthesia, in this case, very injected the local anesthetic very close or around the peripheral nerve or nerve plexus. We have spinal anesthesia. In this case, local anesthetic injected in subarachnoid space to anesthetize the spinal root. Epidural anesthesia, local anesthetic injected in epidural space. It is most commonly preferred in abstractive analgesic purpose. And last one is the Baer blocks. This is mostly used in anesthetizing the orthopedic surgical cases on the upper limb. This is the most frequently asked question in Viva. What are the advantage of combination of adrenaline to lignocaine? This adrenaline is the vasoconstrictor agent. Most commonly preferred this combination of adrenaline to lignocaine in dental practice. What is the advantage of this combination? It prolongs the duration of action of local anesthetic by decrease their rate of absorption from the site of systemic circulations, and also increase the intensity of the nerve block, and adrenaline provide the bloodless field for the surgical cases. This combination reduces the systemic toxicity of local anesthetic, so that this combination most commonly preferred in a dental practice. But simultaneously it share the disadvantage of these combinations, because this combination intense vasospasm and ischemia in the tissue with the end of arteries may cause the gangrene type of the effect in a finger toes or the penis or the tip of the nose. Then absorption of adrenaline may cause the systemic toxicity. Hence, it is contraindicated in a patient with a cardiovascular disorders, because adrenaline may cause the tachycardic or increased blood pressures type of the effect, and may delay the wound healing because of reduce the blood supply to the particular area. Most important topic is the analgesic. Most frequently asked the LAQ from this topic, analgesic. Analgesic are the drugs which relieve the pain sensation without loss of consciousness and without modifying the underlying cause. We have two type of analgesic, is the opioid analgesic and non-opioid analgesic. Opioid analgesic is also called as a narcotic analgesic and morphine-like analgesic. Non-opioid analgesic is the non-narcotic type, and aspirin-like analgesic. It is also called as a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, means NSAIDs. This opioid analgesics act primarily at the level of spinal cord and brain and exert their therapeutic effect by mimicking the action of endogenous opioid peptides and on the opioid receptoric mechanisms. It is a very potent analgesic and induces the variable degree of sedations, and therefore it is called as a narcotic analgesic. Morphine is the potent opioid analgesic. On the basis of the source, these opioid analgesics are classified into three main categories. Natural opium alkaloid is the morphine, codeine, nascaphine. Semi-synthetic derivatives like the heroin, folcodeine, and oxymorphine. Synthetic opioids is the pethidine, fentanyl, diphenoxylate, tramadol, loperamide, and dextroprofaxifen. These are the synthetic type of the opioids alkaloid. Morphine and other morphine container produces the effect by acting on the opioid receptoric mechanism. There are three types of opioid receptor: mu receptor, kappa receptor, and delta receptor. These are the G protein coupled receptor. This stimulation of opioid receptor inhibit the adenyl cyclase and decrease the cyclic AMP formations, which lead to facilitate the opening of a chloride channel and result in hyperpolarization of memory. This lead to decrease the release of a neurotransmitter or inhibit the release of neurotransmitter, which is involved in a pain transmission pathway. Adverse effect of morphine. Morphine produces the wide range of adverse effect. It produces the nausea, vomiting, constipation type of the GI ADS. Dizziness, mental corroding is more common because it belongs to the narcotic categories. Respiratory depression, it is one of the cause of death in acute morphine poisoning cases. It's one of the most important cause of death in acute morphine poisoning cases. Urine retentions, bronchospasm is more common. Hypotensions due to the vasodilatations, and morphine responsible to is the histamine responsible to release the histamine, so that the allergic reaction at the site of injection is more common skin rash and pruritus. In rare case, IV administrations may cause the anaphylactic shock also. Repeated and long duration of the administration may cause the tolerance with some effect like tolerance with analgesia, sedation, respiratory depression, euphoria, but not produces the tolerance with some side effect like meiosis or the constipations. And morphine also produces the psychological and physiological dependence with a sudden cessation produces the withdrawal symptoms also. This is the acute morphine poisoning. This acute morphine poisonings may be accidental, suicidal, or homicidal. Lethal dose in case of acute morphine poisoning is the 250 mg. In this case, we have specific antidotes for the acute morphine poisoning is the naloxone. Naloxone is the pure form of the opioid antagonist. Naloxone 0.4 to 0.8 mg IV every 15 to 20 minutes is recommended because naloxone is the shorter duration of responses, so repeated administration is required in case of the poisoning cases. Therapeutic uses of morphine and its congeners. Morphine is the potent analgesic. Morphine and other opioids mainly used in a moderate to severe form of the painful conditions such as the acute myocardial infarctions, fractures, burns, terminal cases of the cancer, and post-operative pain. Morphine and pethidine is also used as a pre-anesthetic medication because of their sedation, anesthesia, sedative, and anxiolytic effect. Also used in treatment of acute left ventricular failure. It morphine responsible to control or relief of breathlessness associated with acute left ventricular failure and acute pulmonary edema cases. Codeine, holcodeine, and dextromethorphan. These are the drugs used for the suppression of coughs. And diphenoxylate and loperamide is the drug of choice for the symptomatic relief for the diarrheal cases. And also pethidine is the drug used for as a post anesthetic shivering cases. Mostly pethidine can be recommended. This chart summarizes the different properties of commonly used opioids. We have morphine, which is a potent analgesic. Then methadone, similar to the morphine. Pethidine, similar to the morphine and 1/10 as a potent analgesic. Fentanyl, codeine, pentazocine, then tramadol. Is the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Is the